Up for sale is my brick-nose 1989 full-size Bronco. Up until August of 2020, this truck resided in California since it was new. There's nothing like a rust-free California vehicle. The odometer now shows 53,200 miles and is believed to be the correct mileage on the body. The Carfax confirms its life in California with no reported accidents or damage. But because of its age and low mileage, the truck was registered at odometer exempt. Therefore, Carfax cannot confirm the mileage, but when you look at the truck, it looks and rides like a 50,000-mile Bronco. It has most of its original paint, although I repainted the hood due to fading from the California sun. There are some minor dings and scratches, mostly on the driver's side, but the paint does present well, and from a reasonable distance looks really nice. When you compare this to the modern Broncos, they are real workhorses with lots of power and room. I've collected the sales brochure and additional literature to go along with the truck. The original 5.8 V8 had a very small antifreeze leak from the left side head gasket, so instead of replacing the gasket or rebuilding the motor, I purchased a high-performance Jasper Class 1 engine that comes with a transferable 100,000-mile warranty, and the warranty is good for 3 years. When apart, most of the systems that go were replaced. The major parts were the water pump, alternator, AC condenser, distributor, throttle body, and the sensors that go along with the throttle body. For a full breakdown of what was done, just give me a call. The exhaust, fuel, brakes, all were replaced by the previous owner. Also the windows, both driver and passenger side, work from the switch, and the back window works from the dash switch as well as from the key. This truck was built as a family loaner vehicle for our vacation property to be used by family and guests. I'm currently using it as my daily driver to take advantage of the Jasper warranty and the cold air conditioning. You can see the rubber seals are in great shape, dual handles look like they're new, and there's no rust in typical areas like the front fenders or the quarter panels that you see on a lot of these Broncos. I still have not had the truck detailed, but you can see that the passenger side seat and the rear seat have minimal to no wear at all. The driver's seat has a very small tear at the base cushion next to the center console. I normally keep the dash covered, but the original dash is in amazing condition without any cracks or significant flaws. I'm also including 2 sets of rims and 31-inch tires. The truck runs straight. The Kenwood stereo system sounds great. It also comes with a hands-free microphone and USB connection. The tailgate is rock solid. You can see from the lower edge and from the outside corner that the entire lower edge of the tailgate is dirty, but it's not rusty. You can also see the underside photos. There's just a little bit of surface rust. The truck starts right up when cold and settles down into a steady 750 RPM idle when placed in drive. All the gauges work and the cruise control will be easily set and used whenever you want. Recently, the truck was used in a music video filmed outside Mischief's Bar in Ridge. The name of the music video is The Old Man, and it stars Gregory McClaskey and directed by Greg Brasino. If you need additional information or have any questions, my phone number is shown in the description that goes along with the video. Thank you and have a great day.